Hello, it's me, Miss CJ. I will be your tutor for LU6, and I find that LU6 might have to be completed in a very stressful condition. So, just giving you a words of motivation for you to complete LU6. Okay, so in LU6, I asked you all to try and complete the pre-work before you come to tutorial. So here I would like to emphasize that pre-work should not be treated as a burden. You can treat it as a complement tool to help you achieve completing LU6 tutorial without much stress, and at the same time you can cope with other things. Let me give you a brief view of what is going to happen in this week, when you do your LU6. Okay, so if you can realize, on Monday your physics for lecture 1 will begin for LU6, and followed by lecture 2, first day and second day, and every day you will have quiz to complete to achieve your attendance. That's what you normally have to do. And besides that, you have other subjects going on. That is what typically happens to you every week. I'm sure by now you're already very familiar with that. But if you continue to do what you do previously, you will find that you will choke the week after that, because it's mid-sem exam, whereby you have to master LU1 until LU5 in order to be able to answer all the questions for mid-sem exam. So how are you going to cope with a typical week that you already feel busy and suddenly you have a mid-sem exam after that? So here's what I would suggest you to do. Okay, so group work is very important for a time like this, whereby you need to cope with new things coming up. Okay, so here's what I suggest you to do. Okay, so on Monday you can already start to form your own very own small team group for physics, and then from there, and this group you don't have to find yourself. You just need to refer to the name list I provide to you, which is the question group team. Then you form a group and chat there to discuss about the tutorial pre-work task. Look at what you can do, what every member can contribute, and you can already create a document online. In this case, just use PowerPoint slide, because I am giving you a template of PowerPoint that you need to work on. So just create a PowerPoint slide online. That's my suggestion, but if you have other method, go ahead. Okay, so other detail you can refer to the info kit there. Anyway, so once this group is established, then that group will focus solving one question in LU6. Okay, then second day you continue with your physics lecture 2, but of course first day you can already start looking at which question you work on and try to match with whatever is already learned in physics lecture 1. If your question match an example in physics lecture 1, then you are very lucky. Then you can finish that pre-work very fast, and then you carry on with whatever you do the day after that. Alright, but you will need to finish and submit your LU6 tutorial, all the questions, right, on Thursday. Okay, so if you finish the pre-work on Monday, Tuesday, if you do normally, you're supposed to solve other questions individually, but with a group like this form on Monday, means every group will be focusing on their questions starting Monday or starting Tuesday. So by Wednesday, everyone should have finished their own questions already. You should aim a deadline like Wednesday evening. Everyone already finished their own questions, and they already know how to get the answer. So on Wednesday night, probably you can already have a group discussing, exchanging informations, right? Wednesday night, you exchange information, and then every group will get answers from different group. So you compile the answer you get from different group, and that will be your work already, and you can safely submit them on the day after that. But of course, you have to filter the answer and everything, all that lah. Okay, so that's how you tackle tutorial LU6 this week. All right. So in the pre-work, of course, there are some extra questions that I'm giving you. Those are reflective questions. It helps you to reflect your work, right? So this is a grouping, right? So for F3B, I have already grouped this question 1 for this 3%, question 2 for this 4%, question 3 for another 4%, and so on, right? So each group should have their question finished by Wednesday at most, but if you can finish early, that is better. Okay, and this is the grouping for F2B. All right, also I have assigned questions for each group, and I have F1B having their own groups as well. All right, now if you have contact for different classes, that is even better. So you have like 3% focusing on question 1 here in F3B. There's 4% working on question 1 in F2B. F1B you have 4%, so that makes it 8 plus 3, 11% working on question 1 only. So there must be at least one guru here from these groups. All right, I hope you make use of this grouping, and I wish you all the best in your midterm exam. Good luck, everybody.